Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, aka Robert with Son, and I have a mystery figure Disney Crossy Road unboxing. Got some on sale, so I bought the last 9 they had. But first, I picked this up at our local Goodwill. Just happened to glance and seen this. It's a book of the Diamond Rio book, Beautiful Mess. Seen it there, and I was just messing around, glancing, and realized signed by the whole band, all 6 of them, which is awesome. Didn't think I'd find anything like that at Goodwill, but anyways, got 9 of these to break. So let's see what I can get. These things take forever to open. Still not opened yet. Give them scissors back. That Kevlar or something they used to freaking put in these boxes. Got it. Here's the checklist like last time. And let's see who we get. Steamboat Willie.
Are you serious?
No, I got the little monster boy toy messed up thing, spider thing from Toy Story.
Toy Story.
There he is.
Blue is epic.
What is he?
Epic.
What's his name? Baby head. Oh, I got the hiccups. Baby head. Next.
At first I thought that was Mickey Mouse.
It looks just like Mickey Mouse, but it was the very first
Creator? Ever?
It was very first
Disney character
Disney.
ever?
Disney video and everything.
Character too?
I'm guessing.
That's probably why it's a hard one to get. If you get one of those legendary...
The metallic versions.
It
says right here on the box, the big box. Metallic figurines, or look out for limited edition metallic figurines, so anybody can be metallic. That's the best one. Well, didn't you have that one?
Yeah, I got Wasabi.
Wasabi from Big Hero 6.
White is rare.
Wasabi.
Do you like the little bases?
Yeah, they help them so you don't lose them.
Yeah, and the red ones are like gold. So you know which ones.
How do you know that?
I've seen openings.
Sure.
And they get this Steamboat Willie. They say in the videos that it's always Mickey Mouse. They never.
Yeah, they cut the end of that song off. Baymax.
Which one?
Regular.
White is rare. Only if you use the armor suit one. You'll be talking money here.
What?
You know how much these things cost? If you get the special
Baymax
ones?
Next.
I didn't get this one last time. The only one I haven't got that you got. So it's a spider, but with a baby head on it.
That's the one that what is it?
Blue,
no, what's the kid?
purple?
No, what's the kid's name that? Oh, Andy? I should know this. No, Andy's the regular kid. It's the bad kid. Sid. Sid. I should have known that. But Sid was breaking all the toys. And he was doing all kinds of stuff.
You should know this. You watch Toy Story a bunch.
This looks like a donkey.
If that's a donkey.
No, it's Bullseye.
Bullseye is blue and he's epic.
Right there, Bullseye.
I want that one. Can I have that one?
Next.
Get Ham. Or if you get the alien or Ham, I'll be happy. Or the Steamboat Willie. Or Baymax with armor. Or that zebra
That's what I was thinking at first when I first saw that. I was like, ooh.
So you can get metallic of anybody?
I guess.
No, I think it's only metallic him. They only show him. There is Mickey and friend.
Oh, I got Hero in that one. The Hero in the suit.
Hero in the suit?
I don't know if they have a regular one.
In black. No, he's blue.
Hero.
Epic. So your
Got
best
4
three
more.
are these one, that one, down. Did I get a secret last time? Did I get a secret, right? That's somebody.
You got Lenny in your last box.
Mm.
The binoculars from Toy Story.
Oh, that was my secret.
There's a mess over here. Should have brought a bag over here to throw those away.
Yeah, my favorite character from Toy Story.
Wheezy.
Yes. Your favorite's probably Stingy Pete.
Ah, Wasabi again.
I think Wasabi's a communist. No, I thought Mickey Mouse was gonna be communist.
So I have another Wasabi. 3 more to go.
And you need, if you get 3 rares, and the limited edition.
I want to just get one of the metallic ones. That'd be cool.
There's probably only Steamboat Willie's metallic. But that'd be cool if like Baymax metallic.
Sticking to my hand. If I get another Wasabi, I'm gonna be mad. Whoa! I think that was Baymax one. Nope, that's not Baymax. What is that?
What is it? Stingy Pete?
Buzz Lightyear.
I got him last.
So my next, let's move these back here.
Buzzy is red.
Toy Story. We got 3 Toy Stories going on.
And red is.
Got 2 boxes left.
Red is exclusive to 7-pack.
It can't be.
Yeah, these are 7-packs.
No, they're not.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I had 9 of these, and I still got these 2. This one and that one. Sorry for the hiccups.
And this one and that one. Yeah, you clean this up.
It's my mess. Why wouldn't I clean it up?
These are clean stuff.
Oh, I got Pluto!
Ready?
Pluto the dog.
Pluto the
Didn't have that one before. There he is. See?
Epic.
Pluto.
I think that's Pluto.
Sure he ain't classic. Blue. Last one.
You want legendary or limited edition?
I want a metallic.
It's probably only Steamboat.
These hiccups are killing me. You're killing me, Smalls. Come on. Good one. We can only hope it's Steamboat Willie. Come on, Steamboat Willie. And it is. Oh, it's, is that Layla? Or Lala? Or the girl? From, I don't know. Or is that the boy? Is it Simba?
Let me see what. That's the girl.
Does it say Layla on it?
Yes, that's the girl, and it's classic.
Nala, that's it. Nala from Lion King.
Is that Nala? Or is it?
Oh, it's not dark enough to be Simba. That's what I thought.
Mm.
It's Nala. So that is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 mystery Disney Crossy Road figures. Hope you guys enjoyed the long and drooling video while I get to clean up this mess. Big old mess. Then got 2 Wasabis. But anyways, I took up enough of your guys' time. Sorry for the hiccups. That's my break. Thanks for watching, and bye!